Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the duping GUI on Lumber Tycoon with my new hack Lumber Cracker. So all you have to do is click duping GUI and you'll get this little box here. And what you do, the first step is to make sure you can reload. So I've been loaded in for a while now, but to check it, you click on your slot, and if it says that you can reload, then that way you know it's working, and you just click close. And also, you want to look at what slot you're in. So I'm in slot 2 currently, loaded slot 2. So what I'll do is I'll close this out, and on here, I'll put 2 for slot 2. Now once you made sure that you can reload, but don't reload, once you can, what you're going to do is click save slot, wait till it says save notification, then you're going to click dupe money, and then you're going to click load slot. And it's going to reload your slot. So you just have to wait for this. There's lots of trucks going right now. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, just wait for it to reload like this. And it's loading. You just have to wait for it. If you have a big base, it'll take a while like mine. But if you have a smaller base, it shouldn't take that long. Because it's basically just reloading your slot. That's all it's doing. You just have to wait for it to load up. Not a big deal. Then load back in the same place. Just like that. And then it'll say down here, once you're completely loaded in, that you successfully reloaded your slot. So it's probably about to say that. My base is just now getting done loading in. Okay, reloaded your slot. Now you just wait a little bit because it takes about 2 minutes for your money to come back to you. So just wait, and it should pop up saying money received from earlier in the corner here. There you go, you received your money that you have sent earlier, and if you look, your money will be duped up here. So that's how you dupe money. I had some questions about it yesterday, and one guy even did it wrong, and if you do it wrong, then you can actually lose all of your money, so yeah, it's not good. Hi. But yeah, so that's how you dupe money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.